Hello guys, welcome to my channel and we are playing Grow a Garden. So let's buy in a seed stock. Maybe not. So maybe later you can just pause so you can see my garden somehow. And I have two elder strawberries here. And I have this beanstalk. Why is it medium level or small? Why other YouTuber gets a large beanstalk and why do I have a small beanstalk? I don't know how did they get that, but I'm trying to make my garden to be beautiful. Okay, the seed stock has been in stock, so let's just buy some other of the seeds. So there's an octobloom. So wait, I'm not gonna buy that. Bro, sugar apple is in stock. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy it. Let me go to my garden. Tatabi ko na lang sa beanstalk ko. Because my beanstalk looks lonely here. So you're gonna have a little friend. So now let's buy from the stock. MYS60101. There's no sugar apple in stock. Cause I already get it, man. I'm sorry. Lol. So we're gonna buy, I think there's no in stock, so let's just wait in 3 minutes. Bro, yung ano niya talaga, sobrang laki. Let me just see my sunflower. Bro, stuck. So, okay guys, this has mutation. Sunflower, Aurora, and Frozen yan. Bro, let me out. And I'm gonna show you my other mutations. I think I can get it. But let's just see my elder strawberry. May mga na-mutate eh. Isa lang mutate nila. Yung iba dito, ang laki na kasi they've been playing this for years, I guess. But there's a wait. Oh hi Brooklyn. I wanna buy some flowers or quests or something. Wait, Buttercup chest. Is this an event or something? This is not an event. This is just new. Harvest 10 wait, what? Purple buttercups. Ooh. Harvest 100 yellow buttercups. Bro, di ko rin kaya. Purple. Let me go to my garden. I have some purple here at least. But let's just go to the seed stock, I guess. If there are buttercup. Let's see. There's 0 buttercups. Are you kidding me? I guess not. Beanstalk strawberry. No, not that. Pinakain ko na ba sila? That's why my ant is getting smaller or something. And my chili is here. Let me get this. Bro, this elder strawberry is so big, it's literally... Wait, it's not growing. It's not growing. This is literally so big. I just grown a bigger one. Bruh. Now let me feed my pets here. Let me feed them. Gonna feed my blue jay and my parasaurus. And where's my giant ant? Ooh. Whoa, this is so cool. Anyways, I just fed my pets. And literally, guys, look. I got a bone blossom. My friend gave it to me. Bro, it's 6 minutes. Let me go to the seed stock if it's something in stock or something. Bro, there's no buttercup. Are you kidding me? Let's see if something is in stock or something. There's no beast buttercup. So this is totally my garden for today. So this is everyone's garden and this is my gardens. A little cute, I guess. This is my blue jay, so cute. And my giant ant, what happened to him? It looks like a little ant now, oh my god. Let's see how much worth is that chili. So let's get it. Pepper or chili. Let's go to the sell shop. That's, bruh. How much is this worth? 12,000 lang yung chili. Bruh, akala ko billion. Million pala ang bone blossom. Bro, I'm very stuck. Oh, not stuck. Are you growing now? Are you growing now, stick? This is not a stick. Hehe. Bro, I can't believe I have a bigger one. Bigger elder strawberry. Now let me just get my beanstalk. Kuha ako dito. What did I complete? Because I didn't read it though. Let me just sell this. I want to sell my inventory. 335,000 lang. Lol. So I gotta add some mutations. So I can sell this soon. Yung malaking elder strawberry. Sobrang laki. And my sunflower, it needs more mutations. All of these. Bro, let me... Oh, not stuck. This is my sunflower, guys. And I'm literally lagging. Bro, stop lagging. Finally not lagging. Let me just... Bro, let me just do something. I think I need to build here. So I'm a little design in front here. Oh, bawal pala. Just gonna add here. Okay, I'm gonna move you around. So we're gonna be there in the entrance. So it would be beautiful. And this one would be here. Hey. So I'm gonna put this here. And I'm gonna rotate. Wait, no, I'm not gonna rotate. I guess this one. Oh hell no, not this. Like this. Now it's good a little. And this is my garden. And this is other people's garden. But what are they saying? Can I have something? I gave like... Now you have 6, 7. Bro, stop saying 6, 7. It's 2026. Girl, welcome to my garden. I guess. Wait, I haven't go to the seed stock. It's been minutes. Bro. Bruh. So this is everyone's garden. Wait, what are you saying? I'll give you a like. It's Lily like your farm. I'm gonna give you a elder strawberry, but it's not growing yet. Is it okay kahit maliit yung elder strawberry? Girl? I think I'm gonna pick this one and I'm gonna give you this one. Elder strawberry bibigay ko sa'yo. Friend request from... Sorry, but maybe not. It's Lily. Cause yeah. Sometimes people scam me. Yeah. No, is there in stock? I've been waiting for hours or minutes.